So I was asking about if we use any word with any item. So how should I say? Because if I say directly, so we can say I don't have more knowledge about it. We don't have more knowledge. Instead of this kind of word, we can use any other phrase like I don't have more bonds with this item. I am not very much close with this item like this. Tarah. Is there any other word which you want to share?
Hmm. I am not in habit. I am not in habit. Sometime I heard about. I am
Okay, I
maybe
am
I
not
know
in habit of this item.
this item.
Okay, okay,
Maybe
okay.
yes, yes.
Mm, okay, okay. So
So
that means we can use. I don't have good terms with this person. We
yeah,
can
yeah.
use the name also, right?
Yes.
Mm,
I am not in the speaking terms also we can use.
right, right, right. Absolutely, all
Yes.
right. This word would be more good because most of time when we talk to anyone and we don't have a good relation, we can use the terms of speaking. That
Yes.
is good. Yeah.
Sir, and the second one is my phrase. And sometimes we say मैं इसके नाम पे अपना स्कूल चलाता हूँ. Sometimes we put then some name grandparents,
Hmm.
some their daughter and son also. So we can
Hmm.
say I want to open a coaching institute that in the name of my mother, in the name of my grandmother, in the name
Hmm.
of my grandfather. So we can
Hmm.
use in the name of.
In the name of. Yeah, this
जी
is
मैम यूज
good. This
करते हैं
is good.
उसके नाम पर. उसके नाम
I
पर
got it.
उसने. Yes, yes.
Hmm.
So
Like
we can say
some of them, they run NGOs as well. So we can use. They are running NGOs in the name of their
yes.
grandfather.
Yes, yes. I can say I
Hmm.
want to open a school and I want to open a new shop in the name
Hmm.
of my grandparents. Some people
Hmm.
usually doing these kind of things in my locality. No.
And sometimes when we talk about the shops, so most of people open shop their daughter or their son name. Okay,
Yeah.
I want to open my shop in the name of my daughter,
Yeah.
like
Yes, yes.
Kritigya, any other name we can take, whatever we take.
Yes, my brother
Hmm.
opened his shop, a medical store in the name
Hmm.
of my daughter Lakshmi.
Okay, that is good, right? And one word also is coming, placing to my mind, like favor. Favor also, I think we can use. I want to start my, I want to open, I want to start my shop in the favor of my father, in the favor of my grandmother. That mean मैं इनके फेवर में खोलना चाहता हूँ. मैं उनके नाम पर नहीं खोलना चाहता हूँ, ऐसा नहीं निकल रहा है, लेकिन हाँ मैं इनके फेवर में खोलना चाहता हूँ. तो ऐसी जगह पे हम फेवर का यूज करते हैं, राइट?
Yes.
That means if I want to help my brother, okay, if I want to help to my brother, so I can say I want to open institute in the favor of my brother, and they can run it.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
in this way you can use another. Yeah, go ahead.
And next one is na sir. Sometime we use the phrasal word devoid of. Devoid
Divide
of
off.
किसी चीज से वंचित होना.
Hmm.
Sometime we say you are devoid of emotion. तुम्हें भावनाएं
Hmm.
नहीं. And you
Hmm.
can say you are devoid of a fear.
Hmm.
जैसे वो किसी से डरता नहीं है. तो we can use
Hmm.
devoid.
Divide
The
of fear.
yes, yes. Uh,
Hmm.
in the daily conversation, we don't use these kind of. No, we use
Hmm.
you haven't any emotion. We can't use.
Hmm.
We are
Right.
using, but
Hmm.
we rarely use devoid of.
Divide of, yeah, divide or it's representing little advance, but we in commonly we are using we don't have
We,
emotions, you don't have emotions. Mhm.
yeah, yes, we
Yeah.
can.
Sometimes we can say they are emotionless, okay,
Yeah,
but
emotion.
we do not use mostly divide
Friendly.
of.
So now, the poor class devoid of the um, some basic amenities we can use also.
Hmm. Right, 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 right.
वंचित है. So,
mm,
and
mm,
in India, many children still devoid of
mm,
education.
mm,
And in India, many peoples are devoid of at least one time meal.
mm. One
We
time
can
meal. Yeah, right,
we can
right, right.
eat. So
Mm,
this is the phrase from my side. If you have
mm.
new phrases, you
Okay,
can.
just I'm trying to replace my mind and I'm trying to put one any other maybe phrase or idiom. So actually, I have a lot of idiom and phrases, but I do not use in my daily conversation. That's why
Yeah,
sometimes I do not get.
we are not
But
using
really,
in
I
daily
did.
conversation.
Yeah.
We
Mm.
forgot
Okay.
sometimes these kind of
Mm.
things.
Okay.
Some
I am getting one idiom, so I am going to tell you. Maybe you know that idiom. Let the cat out of the bag. What does it mean?
maybe the open reveal the secret.
Right, right. When we talk anything very much special and we are doing something and we are putting something inside, we don't want to show someone. But at the end of the time will come. Okay, at that time we have to reveal all of the things. So we can show, let the cat out of the bag. It could be any preparation for the examination, any preparation any marriage, any function, or any unexpected thing that I want to reveal. The people can reveal at that point of time. We can use this is the time to reveal the secret. So we can use
Yes,
the same idiom. I'm getting another like the ball is in your court. The ball is in your court.
it means now it's your turn. You have to start new things.
Hmm. Hmm. That means this is the time that you can take the decision. Like if we want to say something now we are talking, and if I talk, what would you like to discuss today? Do you like to talk on family, joint family, or nuclear family? So you can say the ball is in your court. That means it's your agreement. Whatever you
So,
want to talk, you can talk. So
yeah,
we can use this idiom at the point of time. The ball in your court, is in your court, right? Hmm. Okay, so did you get any new words or phrase or idioms that we can discuss?
no, just like the similar, just
Hmm.
you earlier said when you want to reveal something. The also
Hmm.
the similar idiom is the spill the bean.
Spill the bean, right? I have heard about it. Right, right, right. Spill the bean. That means
The,
someone wants to reveal any secret, right? Spill
pretty
the
similar
bean.
to the earlier.
Hmm. Hmm. Now I got one word phrase. It's very important. Earlier when I was talking at that point of time, I was not using, but recently I have seen one video that I heard that word, and if we use that word in the conversation, so that make something interesting conversation. When we want to discuss at that point of time, we can use the word fruitful or meaningful conversation, right? So we can use fruitful. That means something is very meaningful, something is very important, something is very serious. So using the any word of serious or meaningful, we can use fruitful. So now we are going to make this session very fruitful. So in this way, we can use fruitful. The word fruitful, I think, relate to importance of the things, right?
I think also we can use the candid conversation.
Candid also very helpful. We can go for the candid, but I heard many times fruitful. Fruitful that means it's not belong to any particular vocabulary. It's give us some interesting words in our body to get more energy for the conversation, right?
Yeah.
So we can
Yes.
use fruitful word for that conversation. Hmm.
Yeah.
Is there any other word which you want to use?
Yesterday
And
I heard a new word, sir, winning.
hmm,
WEA and winning. No,
hmm,
when something just like a child and he or she is only on the milk feeding. So
hmm,
that time, if we want to replace the milk by other meal, that
hmm.
process is the weaning.
Okay.
We have to weaning to give the emotion. When we
Hmm,
want to give up our emotion, so we have to start winning. It means we
hmm,
have to um, take a new turn, a new interest.
hmm,
Then we
hmm.
can easily give up our old habit. Just like
Hmm.
child have a habit only has a habit only to taking the milk, and when we
Hmm.
start feeding other things, just like
Hmm.
chapati, porridge, some other things, so
Hmm.
gradually he or she left the habit of the milk feeding, so that
Hmm.
was called weaning.
Winning. Okay, winning. That is good word, and it could be used when we talk very special topic, when we talk is a very special time of specific when we talk about the children, right?
And also
Hmm.
use when we start now creating new interest and
Interest.
try to
Okay.
replace the older habit to the new habit.
Hmm. On the name of habit, I'm able to recall one more idioms like old habit die hard. I think you heard many times. Old habit die hard. Hmm. पुरानी आदतें मुश्किल से जाती हैं. Old habit
Yeah.
die hard. Hmm.
Yes, yes.
Like if we have any habit of smoking, habit of chewing gum, okay, anything else, and if we want to leave it, so it's not very much easy. It's not a piece of cake. This is also idiom piece of cake. It's not a cup of tea to leave it, right? So at that point of time, we can say, especially we can say time of smoking, because a lot of people they used to smoke many things, and they want to avoid smoking, but they are not able to do because of bad habits. So at that point of time, we can use ओल्ड हैबिट डाई हार्ड पुरानी आदतें मुश्किल से जाती हैं राइट
Yes, हिंदी में अपने कह सकते हैं सर कि कुत्ते की दुम को 6 महीने नली में रखा हो वो
हाँ
जब तो टेढ़ी की
फिर भी वो
टेढ़ी।
वैसे होते टेढ़ी के टेढ़ी रहते हैं राइट 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 ओल्ड हैबिट डाई हार्ड I think we can use this kind of idiom in daily conversation because this kind of idiom makes sense. We can understand easily. If you
Yeah.
we don't know, but we can make the sense of that particular idiom. And I love to talk that idiom that really makes some sense. Some of idiom they do not make sense. Like one idiom or any phrase very famous, break a leg, right?
Yeah,
Break a
yes,
leg,
yes,
but it's
very
is do
strange.
not make any sense. We cannot take sense if we are going to listen first time. Okay, so
Yes,
when
yes,
I
we can't
listen first
break
time,
even.
yeah,
Yes,
when I listen first time, I didn't get a single sense of this word break a leg. But after looking it, then I came to know break leg. That means
but
good luck.
in this movie, it is frequently used,
They frequently use right. They use frequently. Few of words they are very frequent to use by
Yes,
others. But in
when we
India, most of time we do not get.
when we use this phrase, we can't put our emotion, but they have it
Hmm.
because this
Hmm.
is uh,
They
their
have a
nature.
habituate. Yeah,
So
they habituate to listen and speak.
break the leg, break the leg.
Hmm. Right.
Yes.
Okay, so one phrase is also coming in my mind. I'm going to tell you in Hindi. You have to speak out. एक तीर से दो निशाने. I think you can make it.
I heard about to kill the
Hmm.
two birds with a one stone. I think.
One
Am
stone.
I right?
Right. Absolutely, you're right. Kill two birds with one stone. At that point
Yeah.
of time, when now we are killing two birds with one stone because right now we are talking to you, we are practicing each other, and the same time we are getting one video for the YouTube channel. So at the same time we getting a benefit of two sides. So at that point of time we can say we are killing two birds with one stone, right?
Yes, sir. So, and I have a recall also phrase. Sometimes we
uh,
are talking here and there, not
hmm,
coming to the point.
hmm,
So we can say, "Why are you beating the bush?" No, we can ask,
hmm. right right
"बात
right right
क्या क्यों रहे हो? इधर उधर की बात क्यों कर रहे हो?" So we
hmm,
can say, "He
hmm.
talk always just like a beat the bush."
Boost, beat the boost. Yeah, and also one word is very famous. No, don't don't talk around the bush. Like don't
Don't
talk
talk around.
around the bush. That means don't talk here and there. Just come on the point.
Yeah.
Yeah, and one phrase also very famous for tick, for telling come on the point. Come on the point. I think I am not able to recall right now.
Yes,
One phrase is also famous. Maybe you are getting. Please try to recall.
I also heard about, but it's
Yeah,
a
come on the
my mind.
point. That mean, yeah, we can use idiom is phrase is very famous, but right now I'm not getting come on the point. Hmm. That mean don't this sense also don't talk around the bush. That mean you have to come on the point. But there is another one also available there we can use.
Yes,
So
try to not say in a short. So we can use, you can say in a nutshell.
In a nutshell, yeah. When we talk something longer, when we want to discuss something and we are going to make a long story, at that point of time, we can say now this. You can say in a nutshell. And one word another also very famous. Uh, Story, something is available that we can also use in this, like bully story or something else that we can, that mean the things whatever you are going to deliver, you can
Don't
say
make
in,
a cook and bull story.
I think the, yeah, like cook and bully story, that mean you should not make any fake story, you should not, yeah,
Yeah.
discuss more and more, just you come on the point and try to discuss on particular things.
Yes.
Yeah, you're right. Don't make bull and cock story. Right. So I am able to recall one more word. Barking dogs seldom bite. Did you listen this phrase? Barking dogs seldom bite.
Yes, yes, I
What
heard
does it
about.
mean?
It means जो कुत्ते भौंकते हैं वो कभी कभी काटते हैं.
हाँ, मतलब शायद जो गरजते हैं वो बरसते नहीं, ये है कि क्या है?
जो बादल गरजते हैं वो बरसते नहीं. We can
हाँ,
also.
जो गरजते हैं बरसते नहीं. And the sense we can take from our journey, because sometimes we are making a lot of excuses to speak out in good way. So that means we have a lot of thoughts, but if we do not going to, if we don't implement, so we are not going to get the benefit of this. So we should
Yeah.
not, we should not barking dogs in the barking. We should not do like barking dogs seldom bite. We should take care of it. Yeah. Mm.
So can you
Since,
stop recording, sir?
yeah.
Can you stop
Okay,
recording?
okay, I'm going to stop the recording, but because it's